welcome back to Contemporary Mama. If you're new, my name is Carolyn. Thank you so much for checking out my channel. I hope you'll consider sticking around and subscribing. If you do, make sure that you introduce yourself in the comments all the way at the bottom so that I can get to know you. So, from the title of this video, I'm sure you can tell what it is about. I am going to be sharing with you 3 fun ways to incorporate crescent rolls into your cooking. I have a breakfast recipe, a dinner recipe, and a simple dessert. I've been eating crescent rolls ever since I was a kid, but it wasn't until I was an adult that I realized that you can use them for so much more than just a roll to serve as a side dish. So I really hope that you enjoy these recipes. Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you have any other ideas on how to incorporate these versatile, yummy little crescent rolls into your everyday cooking. To get started, I'm making these yummy little crescent roll breakfast sandwiches.
Come a little closer, I wanna dance with you. Everything's moving slower, I don't know what it is you do. I've been looking at you all night.
So to get started, I'm just adding all my eggs to a bowl. I'm gonna season them with a little salt and pepper, scramble them up, and then add them to a hot pan and let them cook.
It's what you're doing, making me feel like
While your eggs are cooking, you can cut all of your slices of cheese in half diagonally, unroll your crescent rolls into 8 triangles. To assemble the little breakfast sandwiches, you want to place a cheese triangle on top of the crescent roll triangle. Then just scoop on a little bit of the scrambled egg and then top that with one of the fully cooked breakfast sausages. Then you just have to roll it up and place it on an ungreased baking sheet. Don't worry if it doesn't look perfect, it's still going to taste amazing.
Before the sun goes down, it's what you're doing, making me feel like I'm falling. And when you're moving, I can hear my calling. There's no one else here that I see but you. It's what you're doing that's making me feel like I'm falling.
Then just place them in a 350-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes. You'll know they're done when they turn nice and golden brown. Next on the agenda, I am making these yummy cinnamon sugar apple dumplings. I love how quickly these come together. Just so you know, I am having the recipe because I don't need 16 apple dumplings, because next week I am going to be sharing another amazing apple dessert to help kick off all my fall content. So make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss out on that.
Ain't nobody like you, look so beautiful.
So to get started, I am just going to wash, peel, and chop up my apple into 8 slices. Next, I am going to butter a baking dish and then open up my package of crescent rolls. I'm gonna unravel the dough and then separate it into triangles. Then just place one of the apple slices into each triangle, roll it up, and place it in the buttered baking dish. Now you just need to melt the rest of your stick of butter and then add your cinnamon, vanilla extract, and brown sugar to that and mix it up really well. Once it's all mixed up, you can pour it over your dumplings. Just take your little bit of lemon soda and pour it around the perimeter of the baking dish and in between the dumplings. You want to get it around the dumplings, not on top of them. The dumplings will need to bake in a 350-degree oven for 35 to 45 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. They are best served warm with a little scoop of vanilla ice cream on top. Lastly, for dinner, I am making this taco stuffed crescent ring. I love making these because they are so versatile because you can switch up the filling to whatever you feel like. Buffalo chicken, meatball, or even a breakfast version with eggs and cheese. So to get started, you just have to brown whatever kind of meat you prefer in your tacos. I'm using ground beef tonight, and then I drained all the fat once it was cooked. I added in my water and my taco seasoning and let that cook for a little while to thicken up. While your meat is cooking, you can unwrap 2 cans of crescent rolls and separate the dough into 16 triangles. You are going to be forming a ring with the short side of the triangle overlapping.
Even when the sun begins to shine again, taking all the advice there is and none of it has helped. Experience has made me realize that I won't build my life on empty words. Being so damn naive.
Then you can spoon your meat mixture onto the dough ring. You can sprinkle some shredded cheese on top if you're curious. I'm using my dairy-free cheese on one half and regular shredded cheese for my husband on the other half. Then you just have to fold over the other part of the triangle. It's not going to completely cover the meat mixture, and that's completely fine. This bakes in a 375-degree oven for 20 to 25 minutes. Like the others, you'll know it's done when the dough is nice and golden brown. Then you just have to serve it with all your favorite taco toppings. So that is going to conclude my crescent roll cooking. I hope you got some great ideas. Let me know which one was your favorite. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe before you leave, because my fall clean and decorate is coming to you on Tuesday. So make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you don't miss out. I will see you in the next one. Bye!
So tired of